Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of your engine to explain the intricacies of the Valvetrain. If you've ever wondered what keeps your car purring like a kitten or roaring like a lion, stick around because we've got you covered. A Valvetrain is a mechanical system that controls the operation of the intake and exhaust valves in an internal combustion engine. It typically includes the camshaft valves, valve springs, retainers, rocker arms, and shafts. The Valvetrain process starts when the camshaft begins to rotate. At the highest point on the lobe of the camshaft, the lifter is lifted upward, which causes the pushrod to move upward as well. As the lifter raises the pushrod applies pressure to the underside of the rocker arm. A faulty Valvetrain may cause engine backfires, black smoke from the tailpipe, and clattering noise in the engine. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard. Short-distance driving is permitted if you find these symptoms in your car, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. To save more money on car expenses, claim engine code scanner by clicking the link at the description link below. Regular oil changes all lubricates the Valvetrain components, reducing friction and wear. Regular oil changes are essential. Check valve clearances. Proper valve clearance ensures efficient operation. Get them checked periodically. Listen for unusual noises. If you hear ticking or clattering noises, it might be a sign of Valvetrain issues. Get it inspected right away. That's a wrap on our Valvetrain explanation. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive insights. Until next time, keep those engines running smoothly.